is, in terms of its factors, is we have 2 to the power of 3, 2 3 times, is 2 to the power of 3 times 3. So that's how you give factors of 20. That is how you factorize. You give it, you factorize in terms of prime factors. So that's a very important concept of prime factor. Now let's go to another point which is very important. Since we have seen how we can factorize, let's talk about divisibility tests. We are through with factors. Now we want to see how can we tell that a number is divisible. We are looking at properties of numbers. Let's now go to divisibility tests. Divisibility tests. Divisibility tests. So we start, how do we tell if a number is divisible by, we start with the lowest. All numbers are divisible by 1. So first of all, we say that all numbers are divisible by 1. All numbers are divisible by 1. That's a fact. Higher. Divisibility test by 2. Divisibility test. Maybe I should come this side. Divisibility test by 2. So all numbers are divisible by 1. But we want to look at divisibility test by 2. What do we say about it? Divisibility test by 2. Divisibility test. Divisibility test of 2. So we want to check the divisibility test of 2, and here we find that a number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0 or an even number, an even digit number. So if we have the last digit of a number, so for example 22, 50, those are examples, 38, all these are divisible by 2. Let's go to divisibility test of 3. Divisibility test of 3. A number is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits, if sum of digits is divisible by 3, is divisible by 3. Let's go to divisibility test of 4. Divisibility test of 4. A number is divisible by 2, by 4 rather. A number is divisible by 4 if the last 2 digits if the last two digits are 0, if the last two digits are 0, or the last two digits form a number that's divisible by 4. Form a number that is divisible by 4. So let's look at divisibility test of 5. Divisibility test of 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. Divisibility test of 6. Divisibility test of 6. A number is divisible by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it can be divided, if it can be divided, if it can be divided by 2 and 3. That is the divisibility test up to divisibility test of 6.